Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody all around the world, and a happy Valentine's Day to you. If it was Valentine's Day yesterday or today, I hope you're celebrating love all around the world. We celebrate love in our house every single day, so I think Valentine's Day is pretty special. Today, I want to talk to you about working with hair and makeup artists. More than teaching you about makeup, I want to talk to you about working with hair and makeup artists. So I've got lots to tell you. Once I get through, you can ask me questions at the end. Let's stick to our questions at the end because then the thread goes nice and fast for me and we can talk. I don't have to read and speak at the same time, which is quite hard to do. One of the things I want to talk to you about though is you can go to the downloads page because I've got a beautiful makeup guide for you to download just for you. It's my apps. I feel like Oprah when I do that. You get a makeup guide, you get a makeup guide, everybody gets a makeup guide. Please don't sell it, please don't share it, please don't publish it on your website. This is a makeup guide for you and your makeup artist. What you can do is laminate it and have it in your studio. Now this is not the guide I'm talking about. This has been on the download page for a few months. The guide that I'm talking about is a how-to makeup guide, and it's going to help you boys especially and you girls that aren't into hair and makeup. So let's talk about hair and makeup and working with hair and makeup artists because it's a big fat block, okay? It's a big block in the room and I want to talk to you about this block.